A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back. Today I'm going to share an air fryer recipe with all of you. We all love pakoras, but we avoid them most of the time because they are deep fried and we don't want to eat oily things, oily snacks. Ever since we have air fryers in our kitchen, this problem is solved. We can have all these snacks, guilt-free version, air fried version, either with little oil or zero oil even. So today let us prepare onion pakoras, nice crispy yummy Pyaz ke pakode in the air fryer. Let's begin. Onion pakoras or fritters, air fryer version. Ingredients are listed in the description box. You can check them out. Now transfer the sliced onions into a large platter or a bowl. Add salt on them and crush the onions. Adding salt releases water from the onions so that this will help in binding the besan when you add it later. Crush them very well so that they become limp and soft. Now cover this with a plate and set it aside for 15 minutes. Now we'll start adding other ingredients. Here are some mint leaves, which are optional if you have. They taste very good in the pakoras. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Add as much as you want. I love the flavor of coriander leaves. Finely chopped green chillies. 2 to 3 pinches of crushed ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of crushed cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add more if you like. 2-3 pinches of baking soda, little bit of salt as we are going to add some besan. So now add besan little by little and start mixing. You'll see that the water content in the onion will make the besan stick to them. This way add little by little until you get a nice thick mixture where you can form a lump. You can sprinkle little water if required. If you're adding more besan, you'll definitely need it to get a binding texture. Now we'll fry these in the air fryer. Grease the plate. We are going to directly place the batter chunks over the plate. Make smaller chunks so that they get cooked well inside. Now insert the tray, and here I am choosing the French fries option from the preset menu, which is 185C, and it takes 16 minutes. Halfway through, after 8 or 9 minutes, you can open and flip the side of the pakoras, carefully using tongs. Now spray some oil on the other side of the pakoras as well. Insert the tray. It gets started from where you stopped it automatically. Fry them until done. Pakoras are ready. Look at these, so well fried. Remove them into the plate and continue with the remaining batter. Fry the pakoras in the same way. Here is a guilt-free snack. you can enjoy it. Whenever you have a craving for pakoras, make them in the air fryer this way and enjoy them. Let's do the tasting. Nice. Very well fried inside as well. So friends, do make pakoras this way, and you can also make kadhi pakodi with these pakoras, or make Sindhi style pakoranji bhaji also. So do give them a try and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection in case you have missed watching them earlier. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.